Hey, what's happening? Are you on the carnivore diet and missing some of your old comfort food favorites? Stick around, because today we're making a mouthwatering lasagna, packed with protein and layered with a rich, velvety Alfredo sauce. Let's go. We'll start by preparing our carnivore pasta sheets. Get all of our ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. Spread this evenly out on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake at about 350 degrees for 15 minutes. I like making my own sausage at home. That way I can avoid all the fillers and sugars that are in some of the store-bought brands. Here I'm using two 8-ounce burger patties for the pound of ground beef. I really like the combination of ground beef and Italian sausage in my lasagna. After the pasta sheets are cooled down, you can use your pan to kind of gauge where to trim these. Time to brown up our sausage and beef. Okay, for our Alfredo sauce, we're going to start by simmering 2 cups of heavy cream. Stir it occasionally and keep a watchful eye, making sure it doesn't boil over. We'll add a teaspoon of granulated garlic, and once it all comes to a simmer, we'll turn off the heat and add in 3/4 cup of grated Parmesan. This is for our ricotta layer. Now that we've got all of our ingredients laid out, we're ready to start layering this baby up. The shredded cheeses I'm using are 1.5 cups of mozzarella and 1 cup of shredded Parmesan. Let's start by spreading some Alfredo sauce on the bottom of the pan. We'll put our pasta sheets on top of that. I like putting the ricotta mixture inside of a pastry bag. That way it's really easy to kind of spread. Our beef and sausage is next. Follow that up with our shredded Parmesan and mozzarella cheeses. And we'll keep layering in that same order. We'll bake the lasagna at 350 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes. This turned out so rich, decadent, and satisfying. I know you'll love it. Make sure to subscribe for more great recipes like this one. See you next time.